Fam, what it do? It's your boy, Mark, back in here today, man. You know, what another video. Fam, how you doing on this beautiful, beautiful Saturday? It's like, what, the 24th, I believe? I think that's right. But anyways, guys, you know how the routine goes. Before we start, hey, man, make sure you click that subscribe button down there below. Also, click that like button, man. That really helps the channel grow. I greatly appreciate it, man. Also, share it with friends, family members, siblings, whatever. Share with everybody. Share. Please. And also, comment, man. Because, you know, we always get chatted up in the comment section, man. But I'm here again with a new subject to talk about. Guys, today we're talking about self-appreciation, or telling ourselves good job. Like, people really don't do this, man. I have recently started doing this for myself as I work out. Like, I feel like I did it in the past when I first started my workout venture, but I really didn't pay attention to it. But now it's like I pay attention to that. I work out, do something new or difficult when I'm in the gym, and I would sit there and I would literally tell myself, you know, good job. And you know, I know people probably look at me. I mean, I'm literally in the mirror just, good job, Mark. And I do that. Like, why? Because it's beneficial for the long run, man. I got 3 benefits from telling myself good job, guys. And I want to tell y'all those 3 benefits. Guys, you been working out? You been taking care of yourself? You been doing good in your mental health? Because I hope. Because you haven't, life is going to catch up with your butt and you're going to be looking real sad. And I don't want you to be sad, fam. I want everybody to be the very best version of themselves, man. If I can do it, you can do it, man. But we have to take initiative in our lives, or more importantly, for our lives, because nobody else is going to do it for you guys. You have to move your own weight. You got to get up and you got to go for whatever you want to go for, man. I'm telling you. You can't sit around and wait for some Superman to come through and do everything for you. Life doesn't work that way. Life requires you to get it out the mud. Y'all know I love trap music? Get it out the mud, man. You gotta go. You can't sit on your ass and expect the world to cater to you. It doesn't work that way. You have to get up and go for what you want, man. And I'm telling you, when you do that, your life is going to change and you're going to start seeing the world in a whole new light. You're going to be happier. That's the first thing right there. That's the first thing you should ever accomplish. Make sure you're happy, no one else. The second thing, man, you're going to look in the mirror and you're going to be like, damn, I'm sexy. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. And the third thing, man, you're going to start like just being more positive, man. I'm telling you, like, you have to start taking care of yourself, guys. That's, you know, just want to throw that little rant in there because I feel like y'all ain't listening to your boy, man. I want y'all to really go for what you want to go for, man, and stop listening to all the naysayers because they're haters. And what I tell you in my last video, man, in the link down there in the description to my last video, man, stay away from negative people. They're haters. We don't need that energy in our lives, guys. We gotta go for what we gotta go for, because you're not promised tomorrow. We're not immortal, okay? So if you only got 5 more years on this earth, because we don't know. If you got 5 more years on this earth, man, make it the best 5 years of your life, man. I'm telling you, go for what you want to go for, because if you stay around and mope and cry like a little girl or a little boy, just like what a boomer would say, who cares? You know what? I get what they saying. Who cares, dog? Nobody cares. I don't care if you crying because life's too hard. Life's supposed to be hard, fam. Ain't nothing easy. You gotta get up and go. You gotta work for what you want to work for, man. You can't sit around and like I said, expect this super person to come in and do everything for you. Your mama ain't home no more, boy. Your father ain't home no more, boy. Ladies, I'm talking to y'all too. Ain't nobody picking up after you, little lady. Get up off your buttocks, your gluteus maximus, and go for what you want, man. I hear people every day complain about they fat, they overweight, they're not happy, they stuck in a toxic relationship. They don't got no money. But they ain't we got YouTube. All this information on YouTube, but they ain't applying it in their life to make their life better. You know what they doing on YouTube? Nothing. It's probably watching music videos or watching somebody else like comparing their life. I wish my life was that exciting. Guys, you gotta understand, ain't nothing but a highlight reel. That's all these people are showing you are the good things in life. Life is hard, man. I have bad days and I have good days. More good days than bad. Go ahead and let y'all know that, man. More good days than bad. And I want y'all to experience this, but it's off you, dog. You have to get up and go for it. Nobody else, man. But in the time of you doing all that hard work, because guys, it's hard work. You have to sit back, take 5 to 8 seconds, and give yourself a confidence boost. Tell yourself good job, man. And the first reason or the first benefit of doing that, guys, it builds your self-esteem, man. It builds your self-esteem. You'll look in the mirror, like I said earlier, you'll be like, damn, I look good. Bruh, I came a long way. Why stop now? I'ma keep going. You won't have this cloud hovering over your head with so much doubt and just low energy. You'll be like, dang, that's me? Yeah, bro. Dang, that's me? Yeah, sis. You work for that. That's your self-esteem going up. Why? Because you got up and you got to work. You didn't wait for nobody to come and do it for you. You picked up heavy stuff and put it down. Good job. You walked around that track 2 miles. Good job. That's what you tell yourself. You seen that big old piece of chocolate cake. You ate a salad instead with light dressing and drunk water for your beverage. Good job, fam. You take those 5 to 8 seconds and you tell yourself good job, man. Because you need that. I'm telling you. You need that because that self-esteem is building for the next thing, man. Number 2, your confidence, boy. Oh my God, your confidence is, people gonna think it's arrogance. It's not arrogance, it's confidence. You know, people who don't do nothing, that sit on their buttocks all day and do nothing but complain, they hate to see a person that's winning. They hate to see it. Those are haters. Again, link in the bio. Stay away from negative people. Not the bio, I'm sorry, the description. Stay away from negative people. Because they hate to see winners win. And guys, it's all about the small wins. Ain't no game banging. It's all about the small wins, baby. Them W's, throw them up. Guys, it's all about the small wins. I'm telling you, your confidence is going up. Don't worry about the big win. You working your way. There is baby steps. But you have to keep going, man. Because when your confidence is up, bro, it's like the world is yours. I'm telling you, it's coming from experience. Because I know, bro. Every time I work out, I do something, I lift some weights, I do some crazy new core workout, I find the mirror. I don't care who's looking at me. You can have Bria Miles standing right beside me. Her beautiful self. I don't care. Out my face, girl. I'm looking at that mirror. I'm telling myself, good job, man. Good damn work. You keep going. And that's like God is talking to me. It's like God is talking to me, man, when I do that. And it's just like, I'm gonna keep going, man. And when you keep going, that builds the third benefit of telling yourself good job of self-appreciation, man. Motivation. You motivated to go to the gym. You motivated to eat right. You motivated to take care of yourself. And it's just like nobody can stop you, fam. You get that momentum going, bro, and it just keeps going. It's like a snowball effect, man, downhill. You small snowball and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger, dog. But you have to keep going, man. That's that motivation. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you from experience. You can't sit on your ass and do nothing. You have to get to work, fam. You have to get to work. It's not up to your mama no more. It's not up to your daddy no more, bro. It's up to you. Do what you need to do, man. Get it out the mud. Stop sitting around wanting somebody to cater to you. I don't care how old you is. You can still be at the house. I don't care how old you. You be 16 watching this. You still at the house. Get your ass up and go to work. And if you older than 16, you're a grown man, grown woman. You still at the house. Get your ass up, go to work. Make some money. Save it. Don't spend it. Save it. And put it in an investment account. Watch your money grow. Start eating a salad. Watch the LBs come off. Drink water. Oh my God, guys. Just drink water. Just drink water, man. It's good for your skin. Melanin popping as usual. You wonder why you got all these blackheads and whiteheads on your face? Because you're probably drinking too much soda. Sugary beverages. Stop. Drink water, man. But when you do this simple process of just finding the mirror, man, if you can't find a mirror, you got your phone, lock it, look at the black mirror, and just tell yourself, good job. Because I tell you good job every time. Good job, fam. But hey, just remember, I love you, God love you, but your boy Mark, he out, man. Peace, guys. Drink water. That was gonna be my end good thing to tell y'all today. Anyway, just drink water and just watch your skin glow, man. Your epidermis is gonna thank you now, not later. You feel me? Peace.